What's happening, everyone? AnsiTiv here, and I'm going to be showing another mod install tutorial for you guys today, and it's going to be about the Weeping Angels mod. Now, the Weeping Angels mod's a little odd. I've not been able to find a Weeping Angel in the wild. I'm not sure why not. I don't know if they're extremely rare or something, or I'm not doing something correctly. Like in the HeroBrian mod, I was looking for HeroBrian for a few hours, and then I realized I needed to make a totem thing. So I don't know if that's my problem or what, but let's go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and do this real quick. So in the description of this video there is some files for you to download, so go ahead and download those files, and once you do that, go ahead and open them up, and give me your downloads right here. And well, that's not gonna be your downloads, but it's gonna be somewhere wherever you save them to. I use Google Chrome, so mine saves the downloads automatically for that reason. And we want to go ahead and open up Weeping Angels, but there's gonna be some other files for you to download. I just gotta find them amongst all these freaking files. Weeping Angels, where you at? Okay. Having no luck finding that. Oh, there it is. There you are. Alright, so once you do that, you go ahead and go back, or go ahead and open them already. I should have opened them while I was doing it. You're going to need Modloader and Audiomod. Let's go ahead and open these guys up real quick. Close that out. And close that out. Alright, so once you get that, you want to go ahead and exit out that you want to. You can go ahead and go to User, App Data, Roaming.Minecraft, and the other way you do this is go to Start Search, boom, %, App Data, %, and you want to go to Roaming. Same thing as last time, just a different area. And go to .Minecraft and go to bin. So once you're in your bin folder, go ahead and click on Minecraft.jar here, and then open these files up. You're going to need WinRAR 7-zip. And go ahead and right click on Mate, and the first thing you want to do is delete this file, because this file will make no other mods work, or any mods out of that reason. So once you do that, and you go ahead and open up Modloader. Let's do this real quick. And we're going to highlight all these files and drag them right in. Now, don't put them on top of these class. Actually, scratch that. Put them on top of these class files, because some people say if you put them over these files right here, that sometimes they'll go inside those and it'll mess up the mod. So I'd never had that happen to me before, so you can do it at your own risk, I guess. It's not really a big deal. So if your mod doesn't work, then go ahead and just try it again and put it on top of the class files. So that's a good hint right there. Audiomod, let's go ahead and highlight these 3 files and throw them in there too. Very, very simple. Okay, so next thing to do is Weeping Angels mod. This one's a little bit different. You get the Weeping Angels, and you got these guys here, which is kind of weird. Maybe like, what? A zip file? And a zip file is kind of odd. Okay, let's open it up and highlight these files and throw it in. Do not do that. That is not what this mod's for. Okay, so everything's done here in the .jar. You can exit out of this. Push it to the side. I'm going to go back to Minecraft now. This is also really important because some of you may be having problems with mods and they're not working. This is one of the solutions that I found. When I was doing mods, I could not get them work. I went back to mods I knew worked that I've done in like a day before, and they did not work. I couldn't figure out why, but I found out. So to do this mod, you gotta go to mods on your Minecraft here. If you don't got this folder, go ahead and make it. But it's right clicking, new folder, and just name it mods, no caps. And just go ahead and do this, and you got all this information here, and just go ahead and throw this in, and it's like so. That basically goes for any files. If you don't got the file in your Minecraft, just go ahead and make it, and you just go down the line of what got to be made. Okay, next thing I gotta do is open up resources. And this is what I do for my resources. Instead of just throwing it in there, merging, which kind of doesn't, sometimes works, sometimes it doesn't work. So that's what I just do is I go down the list. I just go to resources. This one's the resources. This one's next one's mod. I go to mod, and sound, and so I just basically go like that. And once it's not here, like there's no mob folder here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw in the mob folder. Just because it's not here, put the rest of my files up here. Let's throw that in there, and it goes right to the bottom. Lovely. Okay, so once you do that, that's basically it. You're done. Now, like I said before, if the mods don't work, you want to go back here and you want to delete these things. These guys will crash mods from working. Especially just these .zips. I'm not too sure about the files themselves. These aren't actual mods you put in. These are just like for single player commands. No idea what this one here is for. And yeah, if you have these in here, sometimes it will not make your mods work. So let's keep it in mind. If your mod doesn't work, I'm gonna try and give that a shot. Let's go ahead and run Minecraft real quick. Make sure everything's working as it should, because we didn't do much to anything else. And it's going, it's going, it's going now. If the way you tell if that's the problem is your .jar, your Modloader will crash, and that's how you know. Let's go ahead and delete this real quick. Let's go. Actually, let's just join it. Select the world. Okay, so we are here in the world. Oh, you gotta be joking. Okay, this really bugs me. I don't know why my inventory switched. Oh, that sucks. I deleted the settings file purposely. I don't know why. So here's your angels right here, and I'm probably gonna pause this video real quick because the garage door is going up in my house, and it's gonna be very loud here shortly. Be right back. Okay, so we've got two different mobs here. We got the two different items added to the game. You got the weeping angel itself, which is this thing, and it's covering its face, its eyes, because of some odd reason. I'm not too sure. So you got a few different ones, and they all switch over in different positions. They all face different directions, so it's not really like permanent. Now the way you activate these guys, which really get into a second here before I spawn one, is you activate by redstone, and they wait for you to like just turn around real quick, see if it moves. Yeah, see, look at that. They come after you when you're not looking. So as long as I'm looking at it, this guy won't look at me. So I'm like, oh, I'm not doing anything stupid. I move over here. It's freaking creepy, isn't it? You turn your back around and it's right there in front of your face. And it's a pretty creepy little guy. And I don't think you can destroy these guys. I'm not too sure how. They don't do anything. But yeah, like I said, they activate by redstone. I'm gonna stop it. Turn you off. Doesn't do anything at all. I'm not sure. Nope, it doesn't. It's so creepy as ever. Okay, so let's go ahead and spawn one of these guys with this here. And as you can see, if you do this, it just spawns them. So they're already like, they're off a pedestal. As you can see, they're both after us now. So that basically just spawns them about the need for this. But what these guys are used for is like traps, I guess you could say. I haven't done this outside of single creative mode, so I'm not sure if they hurt you or anything. But you can test that out by using like a single player command, or you can use it to, or you can use too many items to switch back and forth between survival mode and creative mode to see if they actually do damage. Pretty sure they do, and I'm not sure if they can actually hurt them. Maybe even single player survival mode, my bad, you actually can hurt them. So yeah, I'm not too sure about that, but yep, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please remember to rate, comment, subscribe.